Love a Greek salad, but love it even more with the addition of quinoa. It's one of my favorites. Super hearty, protein rich, full of fiber, simple salad. Let's get started. We're gonna take the edge off of 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Just saute it in a little bit of olive oil for a couple minutes or so. It's gonna make the onion nice and sweet. Same with the garlic. In we go. 2 cloves of garlic. Season with a little salt. All right, already smelling really delicious. So let's work on the rest of the veg for the salad. I already started chopping up 1 red bell pepper. I think one of the reasons I love Greek salad so much is just because of the bell pepper. It's one of my favorites. So crunchy, satisfying, kind of sweet, love it. So you're aiming for pieces that will fit well on a fork. So that's about 1/2 inch or so. Excellent. Scoot that over to the side. Let's give these guys a stir. Probably just another minute or so on the onions and garlic. Got tomatoes here. We're shooting for about 2 cups chopped. These guys are on the large size, so I'm gonna quarter them lengthwise. Love seeing all this color on my cutting board. It's a great sign. You're getting lots of nutrients, lots of variety, vegetables. Okay. Onions are starting to caramelize a little bit, which I love. Okay, these look great. Nice and softened. They smell wonderful. I'm gonna transfer this to the quinoa. I started out with 1 cup raw. Rinse it several times just to make sure that you remove any of the bitter coating on the outside. And when you cook it, it cooks to about 3 cups or so. So 1 cup will take you far. Add the sauteed onions and garlic to this cooked quinoa mixture. All right, let's see if I can scoot over here. And just stir in to combine. This smells great. So to this, let's start adding all of our delicious vegetables. We have 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper. If you wanted to use a yellow bell pepper, you could use that too. I would say yellow, red, orange. The green bell pepper has a much stronger flavor. I think I would keep it in the red or orange family. This way it's nice and melded flavor-wise. To that, add 1/2 cup of kalamata olives. These are just pitted and sliced. So beautiful. And then 4 seedless cucumbers. And these I just skinned and chopped into about 1/2 inch size pieces. Again, we're looking for something that would fit easily on a fork. This looks great. So let's get this coated with the dressing. Simple vinaigrette, just 1/4 cup of olive oil, drizzle, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Pretty classic vinaigrette. Season with a little bit more salt. So you could eat this now. I think that this tastes even better, these sorts of salads, after they've had just a little bit of time to sit. All the flavors melt together really, really well. Another plating idea for this is to toss all the vegetables together with the vinaigrette and serve it on top of the quinoa, almost like a pasta or something like that. I'm a fan of everything hanging out together because I think the flavor is just dynamite. All right, veg are in. They're looking nicely coated. Let's just add a little pepper. Now let's add the more delicate stuff. I have 6 ounces of feta crumbled. And I like to add the feta towards the end so it doesn't become too mixed in. And to that, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, so delicious. And 1 cup of flat leaf parsley. And I've got some little pepperoncinis, but we're gonna serve that to the side. Doesn't this look lovely? So fresh. So another serving idea is to layer all these components. What you would do is start with your quinoa and onion mixture, put that on a plate, layer it with the vegetables, the chopped cucumber and the bell pepper and the tomato, and then layer that on top with the feta, fresh herbs, drizzle with a little vinaigrette. You would see each of the components a little bit more. I like this method because I think it tastes really great this way. So let's get plated. All right, cannot wait to try this. Looks so fresh and delicious. So this would make an awesome lunch. This would be a really great sort of light supper. I'm telling you, quinoa salad, that is my go-to travel snack. This is what goes on the plane with me, without fail. Whole family gets in on it. Looking good. Don't forget your pepperoncini for a little kick. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna go cucumber here. Gotta love a crunchy chopped salad. So delicious. It's like your favorite Greek salad, but protein packed. Can't wait for you to try it. Want more healthy recipes like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe.